About a year ago, we got a new fridge and it has the water hookup in the door. So we knew we needed to get a filter. So we got this EveryDrop filter, which is great because it is certified by all the major brands. You just need to make sure that it obviously fits into your system that you have. It is certified to take 99% of lead out of the water, as well as a bunch of other contaminants, which is really great. You are meant to replace it every 6 months or 200 gallons of water. So when you think about that, that replaces about 1,500 water bottles. I mean, that was one of our biggest issues. We were constantly using water bottles, and of course, that's a lot of waste. So this definitely helps save us. It is really, really easy to replace. Let me show you. So I just pulled the old filter out of the fridge and we are going to put in the new one. So you need to take off the purple plastic that they have up at the top. And right here, water filter, we're just going to lift this up. And it's got the arrows pointing up, so you know you have to go this way. So we're just going to pop that in there. There we go. And then we're just going to come over to our screen here. We're going to hit options, filter reset, confirm. And we're good to go. We've just replaced our filter in seconds.